Did you know that in 1800s Russia they found a woman who might not have been fully human? Her name was Zana. Villagers captured her in the mountains, covered in thick reddish hair with ape-like features. She couldn't speak and only ate raw meat. But here's where it gets strange. Zana could outrun horses. She had night vision that let her see in complete darkness. While locals shivered in winter, she would swim in freezing rivers like it was nothing. She lived with the villagers for decades and had 4 children with local men. Her kids looked more human but kept some of her incredible strength. When scientists tested her descendants' DNA in 2013, they discovered something shocking. Zana was 100% human, but from a genetic line that split from us over 100,000 years ago. She might have been the last of an ancient human species we thought was extinct. Makes you wonder what else is hiding in those remote mountains. Follow for more mysteries that science can't explain.